Have you ever wanted to make a photo talk using your own audio? With Zoice, you can turn a simple image into an AI avatar video, add a script and voice, customize how the avatar behaves, and generate a talking video. In this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step using Zoice. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zoice.com. On the homepage, click Sign In or try Zoice. Both options will take you to the Zoice sign-in page. If you already have a Zoice account, enter your email address and password and click Login. You can also sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, if you're using Zoice for the first time, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and password or sign up directly using your Google account. Since I already have a Zoice account, I'll click Sign In instead, select Continue with Google, and choose my Google account to log in directly. Once you're signed in or your account is created, you'll be taken to the Zoice dashboard. Now look at the left sidebar and click Avatar Characters. This opens the avatar management page where you can create and manage your custom avatars. Now click Create New. Here, you can either upload an existing image or generate a new image using an AI prompt. For this tutorial, I'll upload the image I want to make top. Give your avatar a name and upload your image. For the best results, use a clear, high-quality image with the face clearly visible and preferably facing the camera. Once the image is uploaded, click Generate Avatar. Zoice will now process the image and create your avatar. Once the avatar is ready, you'll see it inside the Avatar Characters section. Click on your newly created avatar to open it. Now we're ready to create the talking video. Click Generate Video to open the video generation workspace. Here, you can create a video using a script or your own audio. Since I want my image to speak using my own recording, I'll select Generate from Audio. Now click Upload Audio and select the audio file you want your image to speak. You can use your own voice recording, a voiceover, or any prepared audio. Once the audio is uploaded, Zoice will use it to synchronize the image's lip movements with the audio. Next, open Output. First, choose the aspect ratio for your video. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, I'll select 9:16. Then choose your preferred video resolution. Now click Action Prompt. You can write your own prompt or choose one of the suggested actions. These prompts control the character's expressions and movements while speaking. I'll select a simple natural action and click Add Action. Before generating the video, check all your settings. Make sure the correct audio is uploaded, your aspect ratio and resolution are selected, and your action prompt is correct. If everything looks good, click Generate. After clicking Generate, Zoice will first create an audio preview. Click Play and listen to make sure the audio is correct. If everything sounds good, click Generate Avatar Video. Zoice will now generate your talking image video. The process may take a few moments depending on your audio length and selected settings. Once the generation is complete, your talking image will be ready. Now click Play to preview the final video. Check the lip sync, facial expressions, and overall animation. If everything looks correct, click Download to save the video. And that's it. We've turned a simple image into a talking video using our own audio. The image now speaks with synchronized lip movements and natural facial animation. Let's watch the final result.
Hey everyone, it's great to see you. I've learned that every day brings a new opportunity to grow, learn, and enjoy life. So keep moving forward, stay positive, and make every moment count.
And that's how you can make an image talk using audio with Zoice. All you need is an image and an audio recording, and you can create an engaging talking video in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.